So if you guys are looking for affordable alternatives to expensive designer and niche fragrances, this may be the company for you, and we're talking about Dossier. So let's go ahead and find out how close these fragrances are to the originals. Hey, what's going on guys? Hunter here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, glad to have you here. And if you are new, what I do is I make fragrance related content. So if you love fragrances, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a fragrance video. But yeah, as you guys can all tell by the intro, that is correct. We're gonna be doing a first impression and unboxing of the brand of Dossier. You guys probably have heard of this company. They are pretty popular in like social media and stuff like that, but what they pretty much do is they're inspired by certain fragrances from certain brands such as like Aventus, Oud Wood, Bleu de Chanel, Sauvage, things like that, and then they try to pretty much come up with their own alternative to those at a very affordable price. These actually come in for $29 for the designer ones and $39 for the niche fragrances. So they actually did send me out two fragrances. The one I have in my hand is actually an interpretation of Tom Ford's Oud Wood. And then also they sent me another one. And I'll tell you guys a quick story really quick because it was a mistake, because I actually requested Creed's Aventus alternative, which is called Musky Oakmoss. And they got confused and actually sent me out Oriental Oakmoss, which is a pretty much influenced version of Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. But I am very familiar with this fragrance, so I'll be able to tell how close it is, and like things like that. And then Oud Wood, I don't actually have a bottle of Oud Wood, but I have a sample right to the side of me, which is actually empty, but you can still smell it, so I'll be able to compare the two as well. So let's take a look at the presentation. We'll start off with Oud Wood, of course, and in this case, it is called Fougere Oud, as you can see right there with the barcode. And they actually changed their entire names of all their fragrances. Before, I think they had like numbers and stuff like that. So this is pretty much the newest version of all of these. And then on the front, of course, you have the brand, the Dossier, right there. Nothing on the sides or the back, as you can see. But no, this presentation, let's take a look. It opens up like so. Wow, that's actually very cool. So yeah, it opens up like that, and it's like red inside. And as you can see right here, it says made in France, which is nice. I think they actually ship out straight from France. And the shipping was surprisingly extremely fast, guys. It came within the week. And then also these are vegan and cruelty free, which is always nice. Risk free order, I'll get to that later. And then clean ingredients right there, as you can see. And then on top, you do get this card. Let's see. So like shows a picture of the bottle right there. And then it says inspiration is Tom Ford Oud Wood Eau de Parfum, and the concentration is 15%, which is pretty good actually. And let's see, it shows all the notes. I think the notes are on the bottle as well, which I actually do kind of like. It's kind of like a lab kind of bottle, which we'll get into the bottle after. I have seen pictures and stuff like that of it. And it says, thank you, we have made it our mission to deliver only the best quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair and transparent price, and allow you to explore new scents, which is always cool. And then if you look inside here is the bottle. And then you guys are probably wondering, what is that to the right? That is actually a sample. So how it works here, it says, any set you order comes with a little sample that you can try and test before opening the 50 ml bottle. If you don't like it, just return the package with the 50 ml bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. So I think that is just incredible. So if you buy one of these, all you got to do is pretty much get this sample here, which is a pretty decent amount, probably 2 mils maybe, possibly. But yeah, you get this nice little sample right there. It says Fougere Oud on it. And you can actually wear this one, try it out, and leave the bottle in there. If you don't like it, keep the sample, return the bottle, and you get your money back. Or of course, if you do enjoy it, then you can obviously use your 50 ml bottle that you have purchased. So put that right there. And let's take a look at this bottle. Let's take it out. All right, this thing is pretty tight. There we go. So here is the bottle. Wow, this is actually fairly heavy, which is always cool in my opinion. All right, so let's take a look at this bottle here. So it does have a sticker right there. It says there you got your top notes, middle notes, and probably your base notes right there. Yep, Fougere Oud Dossier. And then on the bottom, of course, this information: 50 ml, 1.7 ounce, and where the bottle was probably, or yeah, where they're located, which is actually, it says Brooklyn, New York. So they must have opened a store in Brooklyn. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. And then here is your cap with your atomizer, and I think, wow, look at that, guys. That is amazing. A magnetic cap on this bottle. That is so nice. So you're gonna get like a magnetic cap like in your Dior Sauvages, your Chanel Bleu de Chanels, which I absolutely love. Magnetic caps are absolutely my favorite kind of caps. It just sits there so snugly, and look, it's not going off at all. But yeah, so of course you have, let's see, your notes right there, and then your atomizer. So I'm gonna use actually my test strips because I don't really wanna wear probably one of these today since I do have a scent on. So, and obviously the other one's a female fragrance, so I just decided to use test strips. So let's go ahead and spray Fougere Oud, which is Oud Wood interpretation. Wow, that's a nice atomizer as well. That's very cool. Glad to see that. All right, click that back into place. And let's see how close this is to Oud's Wood. Okay, yeah. This smells like Oud Wood. I am surprised. This is extremely close to Oud Wood. Of course, in the top notes, you have rosewood, tobacco, pink pepper, coriander. Your middle notes, of course, you have oud, patchouli, vetiver. Base notes, tonka bean, labdanum, and cedarwood. Yeah, picking up on it's very woody, picking up on the oud. The rosewood. Yeah, guys, this is good. I'm telling you right now, I'm very surprised how close this is to Oud Wood. I don't know what I was expecting, of course, but yeah, extremely close. Now here's my sample. Grab my sample. Here's my sample of Oud Wood. Like I said, there's no juice left in there. It is completely empty. I need a bottle of this, even though this might pretty much tide me over until I get one, but this stuff is good. Let me see. Wow. That is so close. Guys, I'm telling you, that has to be about 90% the same as Oud Wood, as far as the way it's coming across. That is amazing. I'm definitely wearing this for sure. Yeah, about 90%. The only difference I'm picking up on is it might be slightly a tad bit fresher. But besides that, this is a very good interpretation. Like I said, I don't think what they're doing is to exactly clone these fragrances, like an exact clone. I think they're just inspired by to make a very similar one, maybe a tiny bit of a twist. But if I would have smelled this without knowing that this wasn't Oud Wood, I would say that's Oud Wood. Yeah, that's good. Definitely like that. So let's go ahead and head over to the next dossier. All right, so the next one up, like I said, is an inspired by Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. As you can see right there, of course, barcode and Oriental Oakmoss 50ml bottle. Yeah, like I said, I pretty much requested musky Oakmoss. They sent me out this one. So, I mean, I am very familiar with this, so I'll be able to tell you guys. And of course, the packaging is exactly the same as the Oud Wood one. All right, so let's put the card to the side. Of course, I'll just show you guys, you have your sample and then your 50ml bottle. All right, so take the bottle out. So, Coco Mademoiselle, very familiar with this one. So let's look at the bottle really quick. Of course, it's gonna be the same though, but Oriental Oakmoss right there. Your top, middle, and base notes, which consist of bergamot in the top, orange, peach, middle notes, jasmine, rose, patchouli, base notes, oak moss, vanilla, and vetiver. All right, so let's see if I can, all right, I don't really smell it right now, so let's grab another test strip right here and see how close this is to Mademoiselle. All right, nice atomizer, as you guys already know from the first one. Man, that magnetic caps are amazing. I love those. All right, let's see. Wow. That is unreal. Yeah, this is very, very similar to Mademoiselle. That is crazy. Of course, you have the orange in the top, which is known for. A little bit green from patchouli. Wow. The Mademoiselle comes across a little bit powdery as well to me. Yeah, this smell is extremely, extremely close to Mademoiselle. I'm telling you, if you wear this out, everyone's gonna think you have Mademoiselle, and that's familiar with the fragrance, like I said. Like I said, I know somebody that wears this that's very close to me. And if she was wearing this without me knowing it's Dossier, I would be like, oh, look, you got Mademoiselle on. And I'm being just straight up honest with you guys. This is extremely close. Probably just as close as Oud Wood is. I mean, like as far as Fougere Oud is as similar to Oud Wood, this one is as similar to Coco Mademoiselle, about 90%. Yeah, this is nice. Let me see actually the card. Where did I put the card? Is this also 15%? Oh yeah, the concentration on this is also 15%. Yeah, Chanel, Coco Mademoiselle, Eau de Parfum. Yeah, so it is an Eau de Parfum, so it should last pretty good as far as longevity. I'm not sure about projection and things like that. Obviously, I'm going to test out Oud Wood. Probably won't be testing this one out for myself, since it is a very feminine fragrance, very floral with the rose, jasmine. Yeah, but this is good. And usually Chanel's have that signature Chanel touch to their fragrances, in both, like mostly in the women's that I know of. They usually use like aldehydes. I know this one doesn't have aldehydes in it, I don't think. But they usually have like the signature Chanel quality to them. That this one, I mean, what can I say? It's very, very close. Wow. Let me see the Oud Wood really quick since it's dried down for a couple minutes. Let's see if it's changed at all. No, that's Oud Wood. Well, not literally Oud Wood, but the Oud Wood DNA to a T. Like I said, maybe a tad bit fresher, but yeah, that's Oud Wood. Wow, I am very pleased with this company. Like I said, if you guys are looking for like inexpensive alternatives to expensive designer niche fragrances, check out the house of Dossier perfume. These things are very nice. The quality, as far as the juice is concerned, the quality of the bottles is just a hit, guys. Definitely check these out. But that's pretty much going to wrap up my unboxing and first impression of these two fragrances. If you guys did enjoy the video, give it a big like. Subscribe down below, and also I'll leave the link to their company as well. So if you want to check them out, they're running huge specials for Christmas, like up to like 40% off and things like that, I believe. So yeah, go check them out in the link below. You guys will not be disappointed with these, like I told you in the first impression. But yeah, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see all you guys in the next fragrance upload. Take care, everybody.